Hi, Assalamualaikum, very good morning. Today we're going to Cafe Cikgu. It's somewhere in between Gold Coast, Sepang and Sepang, somewhere there. So Mori, Sepang, the area. It's supposed to be a good place for bikers, cyclists to have breakfast, and they have quite a good food there. So that's what we heard. So we're going to check it out. So let's go.
Good morning, guys. Today breakfast ride is a bit different. We joined by our friends here. So this is our first rendezvous point. So we're going to go to the next rendezvous point somewhere in Cheras. Alright, let's proceed with our journey. In Banting Town. To pull over here real quick. I think I lost our friend at the traffic light. So we'll be waiting for them for a moment here. Right, they are here. Let's go on. We're nearing the breakfast place, Cafe Cikgu. Should be somewhere on the left, coming up here. Belum? Dah.
Hi again. We are here at the Cafe Cikgu, about after an hour plus ride from KL. So this is the roti Arab with telur goyang and kari kambing. It's a mutton curry with almost cooked egg and with Arab bread. And this is they call it lempeng kelapa, or lempeng kelapa lah, with some sambal and also with kari kambing. So we have it with our friends also here with us. So we just took a ride together this morning. Okay, now let's try the food. I'm scared. Try yours a bit. Yeah, this is not mine, by the way. This. Let's see whether it's on. The mutton curry is nice. Now I'm trying the lempeng. Cheese actually is a coconut cream with chili, which is a bit unusual. It is really nice. I like the combination with the green chili. So it's very good. I think the selection of the breakfast is also a lot. Roti telur So do check it out, this restaurant. It's a bit far, but I think it's worth it for your trip to come. Bye.
Ya, alhamdulillah kat sini kambing tempatan. Kami menyajikan tadi tu kambing tempatan. Kambing tempatan, daging salad tu daging salad lembu tempatan. Kami tak ada guna.
Yang frozen tu dia daging salad tak ada.
Kami tak guna frozen di sini. Sekejap kes.
Bawa balik.
Boleh next time. Boleh kami pack kan untuk ini bungkusan lah. Kami memang sedia isu kartel hari tu. Kami memang dah tak ambil lah, tak guna lah. Kami cuba cari yang halal toilet untuk rakyat. Jadi alhamdulillah nampaknya sambutan sangat menggalakkan. Sebab dia kata susah nak dapat kambing tempatan kan. Ada di Cafe Cikgu. Sebab tu kami makan semua roti Arab kambing, roti canai kambing. Memang sini
Kambing lah dia punya specialty.
tapi kalau untuk lunch kami ada patin tempoyak, faham, dan kami ada asam pedas Penang, asam pedas warisan nenek saya Melaka. Kami ada nasi ayam basmati dan salad daging lembu tempatan tadi lah. Dan juga set kambing. Semua set. Semua set. Semua ada set. Sayur, sambal belacan, lauk, nasi semua set.
The guy is talking shop. There are places to hang your bikes, bicycle I mean, and also for us to park our bikes. I think this is the main target customer on the weekend for this place. So we have one more stop before we head home. So we're heading to Sungai Pelek. It's a beautiful day for a ride today. We are in Sungai Pelek. Alright folks, we are on the way home now. We're going to pass the Sepang International Circus on our left. Little trivia, this is where they hold the MotoGP, Malaysia MotoGP, before COVID obviously. So folks, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you do, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment or two down below, and subscribe. We'll be seeing you again in the future episode. Bye.